Good evening. Hope you have an amazing weekend. It's Saturday, April 9th, 2022. It's around 7 p.m. and the temperature is 27 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. It's a wonderful evening in Yangon now. Now I am walking across Myanmar Gon E Street in Mingala Tong Neung Township, Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a lovely evening now. As you can see, there are lots of vehicles moving across this road. There are lots of vendors on both sides of the street. There are various kinds of vendors such as vegetable, fruit and food vendor. As you can see on the right side, people are taking their iftar here. As you can see on the left side, this is a fruit stall. Here you can get watermelon, papaya, jackfruit, etc. People are buying fruits. Fruits are good for health. As you can see, this lady is buying apple. You can also get grapes, mango and other fruits. On the left side, it is sausage store. You can get various kinds of sausage here. This man is selling sausage. People are walking across the road and enjoying the evening. This is a Myanmar Trai Show. On the left side, this is a vegetable and green leaves store. This lady is selling various kinds of vegetables and green leaves. This is the fruit stall. You can get orange, papaya and apple here. This is a sandal store. This man is selling various kinds of sandal, as you can see. This is garments accessories store. You can get various kinds of clothing here. People are buying their clothing. Some dry fish here. This man is selling dry fish. Some green leaves, lemon, lady's finger, tomato, cauliflower, cucumber and watermelon here. This is a flower stall. As you can see, you can get various kinds of flowers here. On the left side, this is mango stall. You can get various kinds of mangoes here. Hello Minglaba. How much this mango? Felaule? 6,000. How many piece? Okay. These mangoes are 6,000 kyat. On the right side, as you can see, there are lots of street food stall. You can get various kinds of street food here. This man is preparing barbecue, fish barbecue, as you can see. There are some chicken stall. You can get chicken barbecue here. A betel leaf stall. People are enjoying their evening with friends, as you can see. On the right side, it's a fish and chicken barbecue stall. This man is preparing fish barbecue. Hello Minglaba. How much this fish barbecue? Felaule? 3,000. 8,000.
This business.
Okay, this is 8,000. This is 3,500.
5,000, 3,000,
Oh, this is 5,000 chiat and this is 3,500. Also, you have lady's finger and garlic roast, right?
200.
Okay, 200 and this one 100. Okay, okay. Thank you, Chejuba. Okay, this is another street food stall. You can get various kinds of chicken and fry here. This lady is preparing some chicken. Milk, you can get fresh milk here, as you can see. And on the right side, this is a clothing store. You can get various kinds of clothing here, as you can see. This lady is preparing dosa. This is one kind of pancake prepared with smashed rice with water and salt, as you can see. On the left side, there are some street food vendors selling various kinds of food. Now I am walking across a footpath beside Myanmar Gon E Street in Mingala, Tong Neung Township, Yangon, Myanmar. Some mobile food stall, as you can see. On the left side, this is the mobile food stall. On the right side, as you can see, people are enjoying their evening with friends and family. They are eating food. This lady is preparing Indian dosa, as you can see. People are eating dosa. People are enjoying their evening with friends. On the left side, this is vegetable stall, as you can see. Various kinds of vegetables such as lady's finger, carrot, lemon, green leaves, etc. are available. This lady is selling vegetables. On the left side, this is fruit stall. Watermelon and melon available here. On the left side, this is chicken stall. You can get various fried chicken here. As you can see, people are buying chicken fry here. These ladies are buying chicken here. People are enjoying their evening. These are some Myanmar traditional dishes, as you can see. Hello Minglaba. How much this one? This pilaule? What is this in Burmese? Chamacho. Okay. This is the Burmese food, as you can see. Various kinds of sandal. As you can see, this lady is selling various kinds of sandal. It's a busy evening indeed. This is a plastic product stall. You can get various kinds of plastic products here. As you can see, you can get plastic jar, plastic bowl and other items here. This lady is selling plastic product. People are coming with friends and family and enjoying their evening. As you can see on the left side, this is a clothing stall. Various kinds of clothing available here. Some toy store, as you can see. There are lots of street vendors beside the footpath. They are selling various kinds of clothing, as you can see on the left side. This vendor is selling various kinds of ornaments and leather bag as well as some clothings. These are some clothing store, as you can see. This is chicken stall, as you can see. They are selling various kinds of chicken here. A vendor is selling various kinds of chicken and duck egg, as you can see. Some clothing stall, people are buying clothing. On the right side, a vendor is selling various rabbits, as you can see. A man is buying rabbit. On the right side, this is a mini grocery. You can get potato, onion, egg and other items here. On the left side, this is a sandal stall. This man is selling various kinds of sandal here. This is dry fish stall. This lady is selling dry fish. People are buying dry fish. Various kinds of sea and freshwater dry fish are available here. On the right side, this is mobile phone accessories store. You can get various mobile covers and other accessories here. Some sweet stall, jalapi, laddu, etc. This is a vegetable stall. You can get green mango and lady's finger and cauliflower here. This is a footpath beside Myanmar Goni street in Mingala Tong Neung Township. On the right side, these are some fruit stall. You can get orange, apple, grapes and dragon fruit here. On the right side, there are some banana stall. You can get various banana here. This is mini grocery stall. You can get food cooking oil here. There are lots of clothing store beside the footpath. This is the mango stall. On the left side, there are various kinds of snacks available. This is a flower stall, vegetable stall. This lady is selling orange here. These are Myanmar traditional evening food. As you can see, peanut, tea leaves and corn salad here. It's a busy atmosphere now. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. Some dry fish here, as you can see. People are buying various kinds of items here, as you can see. Some green leaves, lady's finger, etc. here. On the right side, it is one-stop mini mart. Various kinds of products are available here. This is a vegetable stall and you can get various kinds of vegetable here. There are lots of lemon. This man is selling lemon here. This is a vegetable stall. Some Myanmar traditional dessert, as you can see. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.